Okay, welcome everybody. Today from Krudo Knives, we have the Stick9 folding knife. This one stands out from the crowd. It has the traditional Tanto style blade with 4 separate grinds and boasts a 3/16 inch blade just for that extra boast. It looks good and feels good in the hand. Looks like a custom knife, but is more of a production knife. But for the price tag, you get a little bit of both. So it features the wave feature as well, sort of. With the thumb stud, you can use it in the same manner. You can do front flip. Standard. Or you can use your pocket to rip it from the thumb tab. I really like this blade. It's sold out now. Can't get it anymore. What do you guys think of it? It's very smooth. Tell me what you think in the comments. Like and share, follow for more content. Thanks guys.